Dear customer, today is the 5th day of Navaratri, dedicated to Goddess Skandamata Devi. She symbolizes peace and purity. On this occasion, let us discuss on the usage of ductable air conditioners. Ductable air conditioners are applicable at the larger areas. Here, along with the air conditioners, we use GI ducting system, grill and the dampers for the uniform distribution of the cool air throughout the room. To know more about the ductable air conditioners and our Dasara offers, please do call on this number or visit our website www.agrshvc.com. And most importantly, please do like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends for the latest updates. Thank you.